Addictions waste a lot of your time, right? Well, I am very well acquainted with this addiction because I have been through this journey of having addictions and addictive habits. And thus, through my experience, I can tell you this very confidently that you can overcome this addiction, any addiction that you have, in just 21 days. And I will tell you the 3 proven secrets that will take the addictive habits out of yourself and install the new productive habits. So, do you want to know the 3 secrets? Well, let's get inside the video without any more ado. But I am a little concerned about you. That are you going to watch this video till the end or not? Because if you watch this video till the end, I bet you that you will be cut above the rest. All the people who are, addicted towards some or the other thing, you will not be like that. So to transforming your life, you have to watch this video till the end. So have you ever thought that why is it so that we get addicted to things? Well, the reason for this is boredom. Yes, when we feel bored, we get bored, then we use social media, watch TV, play games, and so many things are there that we do, call a friend, and these things becomes our addictive habits. And you know what? It is not necessarily necessary to indulge with activities when you get bored. Well, boredom is a good thing for yourself. Confusing, right? Well, I'm going to clear your confusion. Have you ever heard about fasting? I know you must have. Fasting, why we keep fast, is to give the time to our body to heal itself other than just digesting the food. And like that only, when you get bored, your mind is healing itself. When you don't give any activity to your mind for doing, then it is healing itself. And that is when you get creative and your creative thinking skills starts taking its form. And the moment you indulge with some addictive activities, any activities, then that boredom get eradicated and the creative thinking cell then and there destroys. And this is why it's okay to be bored. Get bored, all right? Don't use social media again and again. And you know what? There are so many addictions, but the biggest one that I find today is social media. I can blindly say that. Well, and especially our age students are addicted with social media. So the secret number 1 is avoiding triggers. Yes, the moment any trigger strikes to your mind, stop it then and there. And how to do it? Well, it is, majorly dependent on your willpower. Yes. And you know what? Your willpower has to be strong in any case, because the one who has stronger willpower is going to be a successful person in his life. Now, how can I say this so confidently? There was an experiment done by some scientists 25 to 30 years back. There were 2 children and they were given chocolates to eat. One of them ate that chocolate then and there, and the other one waited for the doctor or the scientist to tell him when to eat. And he controlled his temptation and waited till somebody tells him to eat the chocolate, because they were not told to eat it, right? But the second child just ate that chocolate then and there. And when it was found 25 to 30 years later, then one of those child was successful. Guess who one was successful? Yes, obviously, the one who didn't eat the chocolate and controlled his temptation with his willpower, that guy was a successful one because he had a strong willpower. This proves that your willpower to do something and to not do something, to restrict something and resist something for yourself plays a lot more bigger role in your success. And likewise, in the process of removing your addictive habits, your willpower is going to be number 1 tool. All right. So the first point is totally dependent on your willpower. If you feel that I'm getting bored, I want to use social media, I want to talk to a friend, just tell yourself that wait a minute, or wait 10 minutes, wait 5 minutes, let me complete this one. When I complete it, then I'll play or then I'll and switch on to social media. And for a more longer period, you can fool your brain like this. When 10 minutes gets over, tell your brain again that, okay, wait some more minutes, wait 5 minutes more, let me complete this work, and go for delayed gratification. Delayed gratification also plays a major role over here. I have used delayed gratification. It works amazingly. Yes, and it has got me billions and tons of results in my life. Yes, well, delayed gratification is when you delay your gratification. Gratification is nothing but your satisfaction. When you use social media, you get satisfied, right? You get gratified. And that is what has to be delayed a little bit more. The more you increase the time of delay, your willpower gets stronger and stronger and stronger. And this is the number one secret that I can tell you. Delayed gratification or avoiding the triggers. So remember to tell your brain whenever you feel, attraction towards any addiction, remember to tell your brain for a while that I'm not going to do that. Yes, I have my work, I'll complete my work, and then for some minutes, I'll have a look on that, but not now. So this is your duty to tell your brain. All right. I can just only tell you the points and you have to implement it your own self. And listen, until you're going to take action, who am I? You yourself cannot change your, condition. In any situation you are today, you cannot change your standard. So all the best for taking action. Move on to the next point. Replacing or disassociation. Yes, you have to replace the addictive habits with some, productive habits. Like if you get in mind that, I want to watch TV or watch a film, instead of film, insert the word read. I want to read a story. Instead of watching movie, read for some time. Watching movies will take you 1 or 2 hours to complete one movie. But reading in 10 or 20 minutes or only 1 or 2 minutes can change your life drastically. This leads me to one more principle, that is 80-20 principle. The 20% of your task that you do, like 10 minutes reading, the 20% of the work actually gives you the 80% of your result. And the 80% of the stuff that you do in your whole day, I don't think it even gives you the 20% of your result. So always focus on the 20%. And there is even more depth to it. The 20% also are productive things. There are 4% in that 20% that are pure, super productive things. So the more focused are you in the super productive task and the productive tasks, the more you will be able to grow in your life. So let's come to the secret number 3, which is to install. Install what? Obviously install the super productive habits or productive habits. Yes, you must have heard that when you don't have higher priority actions, you automatically get indulged with lower priority distractions. Yes, and this is the same case over here, that you are getting addicted to things because you don't have productive things to do, and that is why you don't have priority, and thus you are distracted with lower priority actions. So try to have a lot of productive things in your life, in your day-to-day daily basis, that builds you so that your mind is less working on those addictive habits. All right, got my point? So there are so many productive tasks to do in a day, like reading, writing, affirming, visualizing, meditating, and there are a lot of things, yoga, exercise, watching something that is inspirational, getting motivated by someone, or, there are so many things. When I have a video on productive habits, you can check it on the I button. But if you want that I make a particular video about the productive habits that you can work on, then I'll make it. Okay, just put it down in the comments below. All right. So this was the third secret, that you have to install something that is highly prior to you to remove the addictions that you have side by side. All right. So these 3 things are just simple things to do, and I am confidently saying, and I can bet that this will lead you to remove and get rid of any addiction that you have. Because you know what? It all depends on your willpower, and it all depends on the principles that you stand for. And the principles that you stand for, if it is productivity, then how can you get, addicted to things like social media, games, and all of those stuffs? Right? So try to plan and schedule your day such that it is content with the priorities and the productive habits, so that you do not get distracted with the lower distractions. All right, so this was all about my video, the 3 simple things. You know what, there are so many points that I can fill in this video, but I wanted to give you a point shooter and straightforward way to get rid of your distractions. And you know what, other things you can get from other sites, but see, these 3 things are the main things, and if you just focus on these 3 secrets, you can get a breakthrough from this. All right, okay, so lastly, I want to thank you for watching this video till the end. Well, you have to take action anyway. So I have a request from the bottom of my heart to you that please, please, please don't let this video become other voice in the YouTube that is going around, that you listen from one ear and you throw it away from the other ear. Don't let this video become that. All right, if you have heard this video, please implement what has given. I'm sure that it will get you results, okay? Because it has given me results, that it is going to give you results, all right? I'm pretty sure. Please like this video if you found it useful, and share this video to a lot of your friends so that they can also get benefited by it. And comment down below your learnings. What have you learned from this video? Plus, one more thing I want you to do is that please subscribe to this channel, because if you haven't subscribed, you are missing a major thing out of your life, because what I post here is really valuable. So it's worth subscribing. All right. And also do not forget to check the description box, because there I have given some gifts for you. Plus there are my other social media handles for you to follow. There are also some, different things from this YouTube channel, which I post on my Instagram and LinkedIn, where you can get a lot more knowledge, okay, about self-help. All right. So at last, yes. Anything else I have to say? No. So this is Vardan Sahu signing off until we meet again. Bye-bye.